I made a viral YouTube automation video using free AI tools. Take a look at this channel with just 13 videos has gained over 100,000 subscribers and 6 million views. Isn't that amazing? And the craziest part? It's all done using AI automation without showing their face or recording a single word. This niche is not yet saturated, which means there's still huge potential for growth. And yes, these videos are 100% monetizable. In this video, I'm going to take you through the exact step-by-step process to create these viral YouTube automation videos using only free AI tools. You'll see how to generate engaging scripts, create high-quality voiceovers, find stunning visuals to putting everything together without spending a dime on expensive software. So if you're looking for a way to start a passive income YouTube channel, or you're just curious about how AI is revolutionizing content creation, you're in the right place. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any crucial steps. Now let's get started. The first step is to get a viral script. To increase our chance of going viral, we will use a proven formula that has already gone viral. Go over to any of the popular channels in your niche. Find a channel that has a good number of views and subscribers, then click on the Videos tab and sort the videos by most popular. This will instantly show you their top-performing content that have already gone viral. Scroll through the list and look for a video that matches the style or topic you want to create. Once you find a video, copy the video link. Now that you have the link, it's time to get the transcript. Head to your browser and search for Tactic. Paste the video link into the provided field and hit Get Video Transcript. Within minutes, Tactic will generate the entire transcript of the video, saving you hours of work. Once you have the transcript, copy the text and paste it into your notepad. Now that we have the transcript, it's time to transform it into something original. We're not just copying, we're creating a unique and high-quality script that will stand out. To make this process super easy, I've put together a Google Doc filled with powerful prompts to guide you every step of the way. Just follow my exact steps, and you'll have a fresh, engaging script ready in no time. If you've made it this far, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It helps the YouTube algorithm show this video to more creators like you, so we can all grow together. Now open the Google Doc I provided and copy the script prompt. This prompt is specifically designed to instruct ChatGPT to rewrite the transcript in a way that's unique, while keeping the same engaging storytelling style that made the original video successful. Now open ChatGPT and paste the prompt into the chat. Once you hit enter, ChatGPT will ask you to provide the transcript so it can start crafting the new version. However, there's an important thing to keep in mind. ChatGPT has a word limit when processing long inputs. If you paste the entire transcript at once, it might not work properly. To avoid this, go back to your notepad and copy about half of the transcript instead of the full thing. Return to ChatGPT and paste transcript, then hit enter. ChatGPT will then generate your new unique script. Take a moment to read through it to see if you are satisfied with it. And just like that, you now have a completely original script that's structured for virality and ready to use in your video. Now that we have a fully customized script, the next step is to bring it to life. For this, we'll be using 11 Labs. Go over to your browser and search for 11labs.io. Click on Get Started, and if you don't already have an account, take a moment to create one. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the creation interface where you can generate voiceovers with just a few clicks. Now head back to ChatGPT and copy the script we generated earlier. Once copied, return to 11 Labs and paste the text into the input box. Before generating the voiceover, click on the Voices tab, and you'll be presented with a wide range of AI-generated voices, each with a unique tone and accent. Take your time to listen to a few samples to find the perfect match for your video. Once you've selected the voice that fits your content, click Generate. Within seconds, 11 Labs will process your script and create a crisp, high-quality voiceover that sounds just like a real human speaker. Let's listen to the voiceover.
A cold wind sweeps across a ruined world.
Sounds incredibly natural, right? Now download the voiceover straight to your device. The next step is to create stunning visuals that will make our video engaging and visually appealing. For this, we'll be using Ideogram. Go over to your browser and search for ideogram.ai. If you don't already have an account, take a moment to sign up. It's quick and free. Once you're logged in, click on the plus icon and you will be presented with the creation interface. Before we input any prompts, let's adjust a few settings to optimize our results. First, set the style to realistic. This will ensure that the AI produces high-quality, lifelike images. Next, change the aspect ratio to 16:9, which is the standard format for YouTube videos. This way, the images will fit seamlessly into your project. Now we need to generate image prompts. Go over to the Google Doc and copy the image prompt. Next, head over to ChatGPT and paste the prompt, then hit enter, and within seconds, ChatGPT will generate detailed prompts that will guide the AI in creating the perfect images. Once ChatGPT has finished generating the prompts, copy the first prompt and return to Ideogram. Paste the prompt into the input box, then click Generate. The AI will process your request and within moments produce multiple image variations based on your prompt. Now take a moment to browse through the results and select the one that best fits your video's idea. Once you find the perfect image, download it directly to your device. Now repeat this process with the rest of the prompts to generate all your images. The next step is to add background music to enhance the overall feel of our video. Instead of spending hours searching for copyright-free tracks, we'll create our own custom background tune using Suno. Go over to your browser and search for suno.com. If you don't already have an account, take a moment to sign up. Once you're logged in, click on the music icon, which will take you to the music creation interface. Since we're creating a background tune rather than a full song with lyrics, we'll be focusing purely on the music style. To determine the best style for our video, open ChatGPT and ask it to suggest a music style that would best complement our script, then hit enter. And within seconds, ChatGPT will provide the perfect music style for our video. Now copy it and return to Suno. Paste the style into the designated input box. Then give your track a title and click Create. After a few moments, Suno will generate 2 different music tracks tailored to your request. Now let's listen to them. Once you've made your choice, download the track to your device. Now that we have all the key elements, the final step is to put everything together and create the final video. For this, we will use CapCut. Open CapCut, then click on New Project and import all the images we generated earlier with Ideogram. Before making any edits, click on Aspect Ratio and adjust it to 16:9. This ensures the video fits perfectly on YouTube without any awkward cropping or black bars on the sides. Next, import the AI-generated voiceover and place it on the timeline. The first thing to do is cutting out any pauses or unnatural breaks. This step is crucial to avoid the voiceover from sounding robotic. Play through the audio and trim unnecessary silence to make sure it flows smoothly and naturally. Once the voiceover is cleaned up, sync the visuals with the narration by aligning the images with the corresponding parts of the script, ensuring that each visual appears at the exact moment it's being described in the voiceover. The next step is to add transitions to make the flow between scenes smooth. Click on Overlays and choose the transition that fits the style of the video, then click Apply to All so that the transition effect is automatically applied across every clip. Now let's add effects to make the video more dynamic. Click on the first clip and navigate to Effects, then select Video Effects and explore the available options. Adding slight zoom-ins can make the video feel more cinematic. Apply effects to each clip to introduce a sense of movement. Next, import the AI-generated soundtrack we created with Suno and place it on the timeline, then reduce the music volume so it doesn't overpower the voiceover. To make our video more accessible and engaging, we will add captions. Click on Text, then select Auto Caption and choose the template you prefer. Then click Generate. CapCut will automatically create captions based on the voiceover, saving time and effort. Once everything is in place, play the video from start to finish to check if the video is edited well. If you are satisfied with the results, click on Export and increase the video resolution to 4K for high quality, then download the video to your device. Now let's take a look at the final result.
A cold wind sweeps across a ruined world. The forests are gone, reduced to smoldering embers. The sky is choked with dust. The great dinosaurs, once rulers of the earth, lie lifeless. Their era ended in a fiery instant. But hidden in the shadows, a tiny creature scurries. Just a few inches long, she's unremarkable, easily overlooked.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments section.